Okay, so this is the new gate. This is for Zhuhai, Qingmao. So of course we can't get in because we're a foreigner because of the COVID restrictions. But this is actually where the gate is at. So we're gonna go up there and explore and just kind of see what it looks like. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so this is the new gate. We're gonna go up that way in a second. Just kind of give you a context. I think we can come out over this way. This bridge is what my plan is. So we're gonna go up, look around. Maybe they won't let us use the cameras. And then we're gonna walk up that way and try to film. And try to get a view of all this stuff right here and probably come out over that way. So let's go check it out. So this is the new border gate. So it's okay, so I had to turn off the camera down there, but I can kind of see this view. So yeah, that's the Qingmao border point. A lot of people are coming in. And so yeah, everybody's coming in this way and exiting out that way. Then you can see Zhuhai all in the distance over there. So we'll see if we can film over here. But yeah, I couldn't film in that area. There was security told me I couldn't film, so I turned off the camera. But over here, there's none of those. So we're gonna go back down over this way in a second. But you can see some of this new Qingmao. Yeah, I kind of wanted to film over there, but it looks like I can't. So over there, you can see Zhuhai. So that's all Zhuhai over there, way in the distance. And everybody that's coming this way is going to Zhuhai right now. That's all part of Macau on this side. So yeah, at least we got to see something anyways. Yeah, that's the border gate. So over there is the Zhuhai. So when you can get over there, that red roof right over there that way. And I think this one is, there's a hotel that, I think it's in that white building. There's one called like Jinjiang or something like that. So this is all the people coming in from China, and this is all in the new Qingmao. And it looks like you can only go one way this way and only one way this way. So so there's arrivals. So actually I was able to come in a little bit and just kind of see it, but so I don't know if we could go. I'm not sure where they're gonna go. I could go down. I think they're just going to an elevator right there. Let's just see. I think they're just going to elevator, so we're just going to take this down. And I can maybe try to do a little bit of filming from this side. So yeah, this is the new gate. So yeah, as somebody else mentioned, this is one of the busiest. The one that I filmed a couple days ago is one of the biggest ones in the world for border crossings on a day-to-day basis. So yeah, it's all brand new right there. Edificio de Posto Fronteiro de Macau de Posto Qingmao. Yeah, it looks kind of cool, eh? So yeah, when people come into that border crossing, they get this view of all these apartments right here, and I bet all these apartments will probably go up in value. It's for people who want to be on the Macau side, I guess. Hard to say. So let's just see here. So para Macau, and I think this one is for coming in. This is for going out. So we'll just, this guy's going back in, I guess. So para Macau. And now we can get a good view. We couldn't really get it on the other side, could we? So yeah, actually it's kind of interesting. Okay, so now we can look and see what's directly below us. Looks like a bunch of potted flower plants. How do they get that much space? Macau is so small, and I mean so dense, and then all of a sudden you see something with like a ton of space just for like potted flowers. Amazing. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Chegadas, arrivals. So let's keep on heading down. Yeah, pretty nice structure though, overall. couldn't film inside, but that was okay. There wasn't that much to film. It was basically me going up escalators and then getting to the border point. Oh, they really keep this well washed. So there it is again up there. Let's keep on going down. Let me see. So this one says the building of the neighborhood of the Green Island, El Verde. So we'll just kind of walk down that way, see where we go. So yeah, this is a new border gate anyways. So it looks like we could go a couple different directions, that direction or this one. I think we're gonna try to go down that way. We could take an escalator there, or we could go this way. And this would be the entry right there. So we're gonna head down this way. Yeah, this is all brand new. Just opened up a few days ago, I believe. I saw it in the newspaper. Might even try to put that in there. Put it in here right now. So here's what I saw in the newspaper a few days ago. Okay, so we're coming back out of this place right here. And then this is all of the, so for the departures of Macau. And that's it right there. That's the building. Got a lot of, this looks like that's the building that we just came out of, so that's all a brand new structure. So, okay. So, departures, day of Macau. It looks like we got a little bus and parking right here. And I think what I'm gonna do is end this in a second, but we're just gonna walk a little bit further and just kind of see where we come out at. I wonder if they might kind of change the Green Island. So here's some giant apartment buildings and interesting stuff like that. Okay, so let's end it right there.